What's up, hustlers? Welcome to the channel where we turn dreams into realities. Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of flea market flipping, turning someone else's trash into your treasure chest. Buckle up, because we're about to break down how to conquer the flea market game and build something real. Flea market flipping is all about buying low and selling high. It's a thrilling treasure hunt where you never know what you might find. You're hunting for underpriced treasures, vintage finds, collectibles, furniture, clothes, electronics. Each item has a story, a past, and a potential future. You see value where others don't, put in the work, and negotiate the best deals. It's about the thrill of the hunt and the satisfaction of a great find. Then, you flip it for a profit. It's a cycle of discovery, restoration, and reward. Think about it. One person's trash is another person's vintage treasure. That old record player? It's not just an item, it's a piece of history. Could be a gold mine for a vinyl enthusiast. That antique chair? It's more than just furniture, a little TLC and it's a masterpiece. You're adding value, breathing new life into old items, connecting people with things they love and building a business. It takes dedication, creativity, patience, and hustle. Every successful flip is a testament to your hard work and eye for detail. So, are you ready to uncover the secrets to flea market flipping success? Let's get this money and make every find count. Knowledge is power, especially in the flipping game. The more you know about the market, the better your chances of finding valuable items. You need a game plan, a strategy that guides your buying decisions, and that starts with research. What are people buying? What items are in demand? What are the hot trends? Find your niche, become an expert, know your stuff, and you'll spot a steal from a mile away. Recognizing value quickly is key. Use eBay's sold listings to see what items are actually selling for. This gives you a realistic idea of market prices. Check out WorthPoint for historical pricing data on antiques and collectibles. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to spot those diamond-in-the-rough deals. Knowledge helps you make informed decisions and flip them for a profit. With the right research, you can turn your finds into a lucrative business. It's time to talk sourcing, the art of finding those hidden gems that can turn a small investment into a significant profit. We're talking flea markets, thrift stores, garage sales, estate sales, the hidden battlegrounds where fortunes are made. Each of these places offers unique opportunities if you know where to look and what to look for. Flea markets are the bread and butter of flipping. They are bustling with vendors and buyers, and you can find almost anything if you have the patience to search. Get there early, come prepared to negotiate, and dig deep. The best deals are often hidden beneath layers of less desirable items. Thrift stores are gold mines for bargain hunters. With a keen eye, you can uncover valuable items that others might overlook. Garage sales are hit or miss, but when you hit big. They are perfect for finding unique items at unbeatable prices. Estate sales can be a gold mine for antiques and collectibles. These sales often feature high-quality items that can be resold for a significant profit. Don't underestimate online marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist. They offer a convenient way to find deals without leaving your home. Be relentless, be resourceful, and always be on the lookout. The next hidden gem could be just around the corner, waiting for you to discover it. You've sourced some killer finds, now it's time to work your magic. Cleaning and repairing are non-negotiable steps in the flipping process. A thorough cleaning can transform a dusty item into something shiny and desirable. Invest in basic cleaning supplies and learn a few tricks of the trade. Knowing how to make minor repairs can significantly increase the value of your items. You're not just selling a product, you're selling the story behind the item and the care you put into restoring it. Your items are prepped and ready to find new homes. Now it's time to choose the right platform to maximize your profits. eBay is perfect for reaching a wide audience, especially for rare or collectible items. Facebook Marketplace connects you with buyers in your community. Etsy attracts a niche audience with a passion for unique finds. Poshmark and Depop are perfect for selling clothing and accessories. Diversify, experiment, and find what works best for you and your inventory. Pricing your items strategically is crucial for maximizing your profits. Research comparable sold listings on eBay, Etsy, and other platforms. Factor in your costs, the initial purchase price, cleaning supplies, repairs, and your time. Set a price that's competitive but also allows you to make a healthy profit. Don't be afraid to start high and negotiate. Buyers love a good deal, and haggling is part of the game. You've mastered the basics. Now it's time to scale your flipping empire. Investing in a reliable vehicle can expand your sourcing radius. Building dedicated storage space for your inventory can help you stay organized. Automating your listings can save you time and energy. Consider using listing tools to manage listings across multiple platforms. As your business grows, don't be afraid to outsource tasks like cleaning, repairing, or shipping. Scaling a business takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. There you have it, future flipping legends. You've got the knowledge, you've got the tools, now go out there and turn your entrepreneurial dreams into a reality. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on making money and growing your side hustle.